Hey guys, welcome back. So, the day has finally arrived. We closed on our new house and we're here right now. And my wife, she likes what she likes. So my job is to give her what she likes and mostly what she wants. And she wants a brand new bathroom. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna take this bathroom, we're gonna rip it out, bring it down to bare stud, redo the whole bathroom. We'll move over to living room, bedrooms, and then we're gonna be adding a huge 3,500 square foot extension on this house. So we got the house at a really, really great price with 6 garages and 7 garage doors. One garage leads into the back that's asphalt for the tractors and stuff. So let's get this bathroom ripped out. Let's get what we got to get done. I'm gonna try to make my wife happy, but I always do. I don't care about any of the sheetrock. I don't care about any of this stuff. So I'm gonna go bye-bye. Now we do have electrical being ran all over the place, so we're gonna take care of that. But first we're gonna get these walls down, get these brackets out here. We'll save the brackets, because I know she wants to keep the blind at least. Now, I've never seen a blind in a bathroom, but you know, everybody's different. Everybody has their own vision, their own thinking process. My wife, no blinds in the bathroom, but she does like the blind. So, I want to try to save this 2x4 if I can, but don't look like I'm going to be able to. Really funky bathroom. I mean, they had washing machine and dryer here. But, I mean, like, what was this? Like a private dressing room or something? Like, I don't understand their vision, but it's a waste of space. All of this is a waste of space. Now we're gonna make a 7-foot shower by 8 feet high by 40 inches wide. So that's gonna be a pretty cool shower. Sometimes destruction is not always the right move to do. You don't always have to destroy everything. Oh, so they got nails and screws in this one. Got everything. They couldn't decide what they wanted to do. Screws or nails? Why the sheetrock kicked out so easily? But I will reuse these 2x4s. Okay, well, we're not gonna get this electric out of here without cutting these lines, so. Alrighty then, so we got this good to go. These are dead. Alright. Now, the shower that's in here right now. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 studs. 8. Shit. The hell were they building? Fort Knox in the shower? Okay, pretty sure the water's off here. I hate the metal corner bead. I hate it. Gotta be very careful when you're ripping this stuff out. You will slice your hand open like there's no tomorrow. This stuff is extremely sharp. I'm trying to get down to this one stud so that I can take it out. What the hell? I mean, why would you waste all of this space? I know how to rip it out, but we're trying to save this for a friend of mine. I'm really tired. I've been going since 5:30 in the morning. So now we're supposed to have everything finished in 7 days. Can we do it? I guess we're gonna find out. I think I can. I am doing it by myself, everything by myself, including the plumbing, the electric, you know, the remodeling, and I've been doing it for 3 days, and it's starting to take a toll on me because I'm doing 18 hours a day. Now I'm not as young as I used to be, but we're gonna make the wife happy. That's all that matters. Everything else, immaterial. As long as we make the wife happy. Now, we're gonna save this because I know somebody that needs one. And I'm not a big fan of wasting stuff. Okay, now we gotta get all these screws out of here. Oh, God. Somebody didn't put sheetrock in correctly. This is all filler. Or plaster, compound, whatever you want to call it. Oh, now I gotta break down another wall. So now this wall right here is basically a fake wall. You can see how it goes all the way back through there, and they moved it out. Why they moved it out, I don't know. I don't know why they did anything in this bathroom, but we're gonna change it all, and I'm gonna make my wife happy, hopefully. And then you know what that means. You know, I make her happy, she makes me happy. So let's go ahead and grab the worm drive. And this thing is a beast, guys. I mean, you're looking for a beautiful battery operated saw. I'm not sponsored by Milwaukee or anything, but this is the saw you want to pick up. Now, I've tried other worm drive saws. It's battery operated, and nothing compares to the Milwaukee. This thing is balanced perfectly. It's not heavy, but it is kind of heavy. It has a rafter hook, which is beautiful. I mean, it is powerful. Everything you could ever want in a rear-handed saw. And she cuts true, real true. She's a beast. So if you're looking to pick up a worm saw, grab the Milwaukee 2830-21. This is a beast. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this floor in. I cut it very tight. Alright, got that in. That's a beautiful, beautiful fit right there. Nice and tight. It's got all edges sealed. It's beautiful. Now, I've seen some comments about how some people say that I'm a Milwaukee fanboy. It's not that I'm a Milwaukee fanboy. It's that I respect quality tools. And when you compare, let's say the battery operated nail guns with DeWalt rigid. DeWalt rev up time, can't stand it. Rigid power, can't stand it. When you look at the Milwaukee, they built that thing rugged and tough and powerful. When you look at the, the harness or the tool belt for DeWalt, the way they made it was 3 big pockets and, 2 screwdriver pockets and a tape measure. $429. You go look at Milwaukee. They got the 6-inch lumbar support. They got the V-neck thoracic support. They got the 1/2-inch padding with pockets on top and pockets on bottom. If you look at this thing, it's got 1, 2, 3, all screwdriver, hammer, anything you need, razor blade. Again, 1, 2, 3. So not only did they make it for a framer, but they made it for a framer / electrician. So I'm not a Milwaukee fanboy. I respect quality, and Milwaukee tools are quality. And that's why I will always stick with Milwaukee. And I love their warranty. And I'm not sponsored by them in any way on this channel. But, again, I respect quality. And when you build a quality product, you got my support. Now what we have to do is find a 1/2-inch for that. I don't know if I have any 1/2-inch on me, but we can get to that 1/2-inch for tomorrow. I got one feeding it from downstairs. I don't know what it's feeding downstairs, but if it's feeding anything, maybe it's direct to the panel. But I haven't seen that in this house yet, so I'm gonna assume not.